I'm going to show you a couple cool things you could do on the big Tonex pedal. Sometimes when you're in your Tonex pedal and you're going through the different presets that you have saved on it, you'll come from one like this then you'll come to a bad cat. It just sounds a little lifeless compared to the other one. So let's go ahead and see if we can doctor that up a bit. So first thing is, let me hold this down. When you hold this down, you go back from in your alt mode to your regular mode. In your alt mode, you're going to have these at the bottom. These labels here are going to be in effect: reverb, compressor, so on. Regular mode, you got to look at the top: gain, bass, mid, treble, volume. Okay. So first thing, let's add a little gain to it. Just a touch. It's a little fat on the bottom end too. So let's pull a little bit of bass out. Good. Like that. All right. Now let's go ahead and hold this down and go into the alt mode. All right. Click this once and let's go to compressor and position, post amp. Perfect. Click it again. That'll take you one step back. Okay. And let's go into the power and let's turn the compressor on. Hit the button again. It takes a step back, and let's roll over to gain. Let's bring that up. Sounding better already. A little bit louder. Has a little. All right, great. Let's take a step back, and let's go ahead another step back. Now this one will take you steps backwards as much as you want. So let's go ahead and go back to this screen and let's go over to reverb. Okay, and let's see what type of reverb we have. Room. Let's take this over to plate, which is my favorite. All right, and let's step back and let's go over the time. That's good. 7.5. Pre-delay. We'll leave that alone. Color, let's darken that up a bit. Let's darken it. I like a darker reverb. Okay, click this to step back. Mix is good for me. 11. Okay, step back. Let's step back again, and let's go over to delay. It's off. Turn on. Cool. Step back. Let's roll over to type. Tape, perfect. I like tape better than the digital. Step back. Actually, it's a perfect amount of delay, but you could adjust your time and amount of feedback, and then your mix. Oh, that's great. Okay. If you want to see what the mode I have it in, just normal mode. So now let's hear this thing. Huge. And I'll save it. We'll just hit these two at the same time. Usually what I'll do is I'll just do this thing and hit both those at the same time and save. Now let's hear the matchless again. Yeah. There you go. Well, I hope that helps somebody out. Please like and subscribe, and put any questions you have in the comments. We'll see you soon.